Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Illustrator tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to master artboard creation in Illustrator 2025. Let me show you how. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I select my artboard tool right here. Then having selected your artboard tool, so this will allow you to modify, create, and edit your artboard in Illustrator 2025. So I can decide to adjust this artboard right here. So once I adjust it, I can decide to drag it this way. So next thing I can do here, I can go ahead and create another artboard right here. So I can go on and create as many as possible different artboard in my workspace right here as far as Illustrator 2025 is concerned. So we can click on more options right here, and this will take us to show property panel. So we have the property panel from the sidebar right here. So here, all these have different layers right here. Then one more thing we can do right here is that we can as well duplicate any of the artboard right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to duplicate this artboard too. What we want to do is to come to the sidebar right, come down below right here where we have our artboard tool right here. Go ahead and click on this plus sign right here, and to automatically duplicate the artboard, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So you can use this method to create as many as possible artboard in your Illustrator. So you can see all the artboard right there. Let's say, for instance, I want to make a duplicate of this one right here. I can easily select the artboard. Then when you select the artboard, then you can go ahead and click on duplicate right here. So it's going to be automatically duplicate the artboard, just like what you see from the top right here. So if you want to create a new artboard, you can easily click on this plus sign right here. It allows you to continue to duplicate. So if you want to delete it, just press Ctrl Z and it's going to be deleted, just like so. So each of these artboard right here, you can do different things with it entirely. This is depends on exactly what you want to do. Once you are done with all your artboard, come to the top selection tool right here, and then boom, you are back into your Illustrator workspace right here. So you can drag your artboard as much as possible, just like so. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Illustrator software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.